Hello, and welcome to this session. Learning Outcome LO4. Be able to identify personal strengths and areas for development in relation to academic research and writing skills. Today, we will learn how to enhance your academic research and writing abilities. This session will guide you in recognizing your personal strengths and identifying areas for development, particularly within law studies. We will also explore practical strategies for improvement and effective self-reflection to support your ongoing learning journey. Identifying your personal learning journey is crucial. It involves recognizing your skills and qualities. Acknowledge strengths and weaknesses in academic work. This includes time management, initiative, and flexibility. Embrace change and feedback for growth. Personal strengths and research skills are vital. Locating reliable sources ensures credibility. Critical analysis enhances arguments. Time management allows thorough research. Legal writing skills produce professional work. Recognize areas needing improvement, like paraphrasing. Overuse of direct quotes affects originality. Broaden your research scope. Apply structured problem-solving methods. Enhance note-taking efficiency. Practice paraphrasing and summarization. Use diverse databases for research. Apply problem-solving approaches consistently. Break tasks into manageable chunks. Join forums to build presentation skills. A personal development plan tracks progress. Set goals for paraphrasing and source exploration. Practice problem-solving regularly. Build presentation confidence through practice. Monitor your progress consistently. Identify priority areas for development. Focus on paraphrasing and analytical depth. Broaden your research with diverse sources. Improve writing style and reduce quotes. Allocate time for editing and reviewing. Different approaches to learning law are essential. Analyze case law and interpret statutes. Use problem-solving methods like IRAC. Attend lectures and seminars for guidance. Engage in independent reading for depth. Independent learning skills are crucial for success. They foster critical thinking and autonomy. Time management improves productivity. Research skills enhance assignment quality. Adaptability prepares for dynamic settings. Independent learning improves academic performance. It builds confidence in tackling tasks, prepares for professional life with essential skills, encourages lifelong learning habits, promotes deeper engagement with materials. A structured plan addresses strengths and weaknesses. Set clear goals for development. Use diverse resources like JSTOR. Practice paraphrasing and critical thinking. Simulate challenges to build adaptability. Broaden resource use beyond databases. Attend workshops on legal research. Engage with academic debates. Explore counterarguments in writing. Use tools like Turnitin for originality checks. Focus on paraphrasing and diverse perspectives. Practice writing with varied sentence structures. Use Grammarly for style improvement. Reduce reliance on direct quotes. Engage with academic papers for inspiration. Engage with academic debates and journals. Include counterarguments in essays. Question assumptions and evaluate arguments, analyze information effectively, enhance problem-solving skills in legal scenarios. Break tasks into smaller milestones. Set clear deadlines for each task. Use productivity tools like Trello. Allocate time for revisions and reviews. Manage multiple academic demands efficiently. Practice oral presentations to gain confidence. Record and review your performance. Join public speaking workshops. Simulate presentations in study groups. Seek feedback to improve delivery. Simulate unexpected challenges in study groups. Practice handling new scenarios. Reflect on past adaptability experiences. Identify lessons learned for future tasks. Enhance resilience and flexibility. Maintain a feedback journal to track improvements. Review common feedback points regularly. Apply feedback consistently in future tasks. Seek constructive criticism from peers. Use feedback for self-improvement. Independent learning skills are essential for law students. They enable ownership of education and adaptability. By cultivating these skills, students excel academically and professionally. In conclusion, developing effective oral presentation skills requires consistent practice and reflection. Regularly rehearsing and recording your presentations allows you to identify areas for improvement, while participating in public speaking workshops and study group simulations builds confidence and experience. Actively seeking constructive feedback further enhances your delivery, ensuring continuous growth and greater impact in your presentations. If anything is unclear, please WhatsApp us at 0748 436 1688, and our team will gladly provide assistance. Thank you, and see you soon.